Alright guys, first let's take out this gallon of haze fluid. Then let's remove the cover. Of course, I just forgot to show you guys. I already removed 5 screws around it. Now let's take out the spring on both sides by using a flat screwdriver, or you can use long nose pliers as well, like that. And then remove the cover of the heating block. The heating block is right there with the 4 nuts and bolts. We can use a ratchet wrench to remove those nuts. After loosening all those 4 nuts, you can remove them using your hands. Then you may now pull out the heating block and clean them using a rags or a wet wipes. You can also use alcohol for cleaning this heating block. Hey, come on! Not that kind of alcohol, bro. It's more worth for drinking, not for cleaning. You can use a long metal rod to stick into the nozzle to clean it, to remove all the blockage that might cause a malfunction to the haze machine. Once it's ready, you can put it back into its fittings right there, and make sure that it's flat and properly attached into the heating element underneath it. Then put a brand new gasket in between the upper and the bottom piece of the heating block. Now put the top piece of the heating block together with the washers. There should be 8 washers in total, 2 on each nuts. Put 4 nuts back in place, then make them tight using the ratchet wrench. Then reconnect the hose into the intake nozzle. Now we can put the cover back for the heating block as well as the 2 springs. I am going to use 100 ml of water mixed with 1 tablespoon of vinegar to clean the hose and the pump. Now let's plug it in and switch on the power. There you go. Now let's set the DMX address or the 3-digit number into 611. 6 means manual. That's the first digit. The second digit is the haze output, and the third digit is the fan speed. And this is the latest version of the Radiance Hazer. It's almost the same as the first one that I show you, except for the digital display on this one. Remember, I show you the first digit, number 6 means manual or manual mode. The second digit I set it to 9, which is the haze flow, and the third digit I will going to set it to 9 as well. For the fan speed, I will make them both on the maximum. You can see the smoke or the haze gets thicker. Now my haze machine is as good as new. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one.